Do you know the real secret of attracting what you want in your life using law of attraction? If you are thinking, my friend, just by visualizing or then thinking about what you want, you can achieve. It works sometime, but sometimes doesn't. My friend, I am a law of attraction certified trainer and I am into mind coaching since 1972. Wonderful things have happened to me in the past. It may be law of attraction, it may be something else. And then after many years, I was started wondering what really worked for me, why this law of attraction was not working for me all the time. Then I came to know about a big secret, my friend. So my friend, if you want to know the secret, definitely. And you start attaining things really, really fast. So my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Ministry of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button and get notified for every time I upload a new video. Now this is the most powerful secret I am going to tell you, my friend. Now to understand it, you need to understand something more. Now we have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind. And our subconscious mind connected to the universal mind, which is connected with everybody's mind. That is like our Google. Now my friend, just visualizing that you want something and expecting it to happen may happen sometime. But the real manifestation happen, you know when? When you ask a right question, my friend. Visualize is not important. You ask a right question, and most of the time we ask them a wrong question. When you ask a wrong question on a Google search, what happened? You get the wrong answer, right? Now, most of the invention happened when inventor was asking himself a right question. They wanted to solve the problem, they want to make an invention, but the moment they thought, how can I solve this problem? What can I do to make this invention happen? What can I do? They were asking themselves a very right question. At the moment they asked this question, remember, universal mind, your subconscious mind need to come up with the answer. So listen carefully, my friend. Questions are much more powerful than affirmations and visualizations. You know why? When you ask a question, that means your unconscious mind, your subconscious mind need to come up with the answer. Yes, it will come up with the answer. They have to come up with the answer. May not be immediately, but they will have to come. For example, listen carefully, my friend. You have met somebody. We have met somebody 15 days back in a party or meeting, and suddenly you started thinking about that person. You know from where the person lives, you know how does he look like, but something is missing. What is missing? The name. And then what happened? You ask yourself a question. What was the name of that person? What is his name? Not coming. What is his name? You ask this question 3-4 times, and then because you are trying too much, it didn't give a time to your unconscious mind. You just want to give it to you. The moment you stop after 15 minutes, the name comes in. Why? Because you ask the question to your subconscious mind. It goes for search and give it to name. So my friend, remember, questions are more powerful than affirmations. Questions are more powerful than visualization. You keep visualizing to happen, but nothing happens. The moment you ask the right question, how can I achieve this? What can I do to achieve this faster? What can I do to become successful in interview? How can I become more successful? When you ask this question, unconscious mind give you the right answers, create the situation for you, and then the law of attraction works because your focus is on the right thing. But most of the time we ask ourselves the wrong question: why I failed in the exam? Why I failed in the interview? What happened? Unconscious mind give you 100 reasons why you failed and activate that thing more for you so you fail more. So the important thing is to ask the right question, my friend. Questions are 10 times more powerful than affirmations if you ask it correctly. Listen carefully, my friend. I work with the top level sportsmen. So I ask them a question. What can he do today to win this match? I remember I was working with an Olympic boxer and he was very nervous playing a tournament in Thailand. His mind was focused on negative things. If his mind was focused on his playing in Thailand, Thailand boxer, Thailand referee, they will be cheating. So I asked him a question. The first question I asked him, is he better than you or you is better? He said, sir, I am better. Then what to do? Don't think about the crowd. Go and knock him down. Mind picture change. He get an idea and he actually knocked him down on the match. Yes, my friend. So questions are more important. When I work with the golfers, they are thinking not to hit the ball here, not to hit the ball there. There is a bunker, there is a water there. The mind is focused. I don't want to hit, don't want to hit. Then I ask him to ask a question. Ask yourself, what is your goal? Where you want to finish the ball? Immediately the things changes into their mind and they play superbly. So my friend, questions are much more powerful. So the biggest secret, affirmation doesn't work many times. I'll tell you in a later video why it doesn't work. But affirmation doesn't work. What works is the questions. Quality of your life depends on the quality of question you ask yourself. So my friend, think over it. Ask yourself right question. And I'm sure you are going to do this and let me know how it works for you. Now there is one more important announcement, my friend. I have created the whole course in questions. In fact, right now I am conducting a workshop on hypnotic magic question to achieve what you want in half the time. It will be a WhatsApp course. It will be happening on WhatsApp, so 7-day course. If you're really interested on that, click on the link below, call us and join the course. You will learn some very powerful technique, how to ask yourself the right question to solve problem, to achieve what you want. So my friend, I'm sure you really enjoyed it. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification to get notified every time you upload a new video. And I'm sure this is the biggest secret, my friend. The questions are the most powerful thing. So use it right now and give me your feedback. Thank you very much.